How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is a big thank you to Neiman Chambers. I got a mail call from him today, but before we get this video started, let me thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. Thank you very much. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. And if you're not a subscriber and you watch this video, man, it's free. It's free to become a subscriber. So, thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, let's get this started. Neiman Chambers, and you know, he's done this to a lot of people in our community, and he's sent models out to guys, and they get a model and get a surprise and everything. Well, he struck me. He got me. Look at here. He sent me this vintage kit. If y'all watched his last video, he just got this kit. And believe me, I'm thankful. I love it. And it will get built. But here's the deal. And I will leave his description below. So go below my video, and there will be a description link, whatever, you click on it, and I will leave a link to his channel. Please, guys, if you're not subscribed to him, he needs all the help he can get over there and subscribe to him. He's been in our community for a long time, and he deserves way more subs than what he's got. He's a man with a heart of gold. He, you know, he's a great guy. He did not have to do this. I told him he did not have to do this, but man, he did. I commented on his video. I said, you know, you gotta love that vintage plastic. You gotta love the smell of it. I said, that's an excellent kit. I said, I got one just like it. I said, but mine's run. I said, and Matthew at Model Car Videos, this is the reason why you open your kits. I got a vintage kit, and it was sealed on the inside. It's the same kit as this one Neiman just sent me. This one's in perfect shape. As a matter of fact, we're going to do an unboxing on it too, and then I'm going to build it. But this one here, I got it in, and man, was I disappointed. I opened it all up. Them tires were melded to everything. Let me show you some of the stuff that it's melded to, and this is the reason why you always, and you know, it was a vintage kit on the inside. This is all a melded up, matted. That's the windshield. That's all that stuff. The cab, look, it ate into the cab. Some of the frame parts, I'm not going to pull them all out. I mean, it's just ate up. And guys, if you got vintage kits and they're still sealed, I mean, unless you're just an absolute stinking collector that don't build nothing, get them things open, get them tires out of there, and get them put in a plastic bag, whatever, you know. So you're gonna run a kit. This is the one Neiman sent me. You can see this right here. This is vintage. It's from let's see if there's a date, from 1962. Look at that. You got the T-Bird engine. You can build a 60 Pontiac. Look at all those parts right there. You got a magneto. You got a distributor. I mean, it's just got all kinds of different options. Then on the other side, you got a surfboard. Looks like bed rails or pipes. I can't see what that is. That's custom grill. You got lights, hubcaps, steel wheels. I mean, this thing with the opening doors. That's an excellent kit, guys. And this one, like I said, this one's mint. We're going to open it up. We're going to do an unboxing on it. And Neiman told me he wanted me to build it, and by God, I'm going to build it. Me and Justin's fixing to be done with our buddy build. I just got to put decals on it and make a video for it, and then we'll reveal those when they're done. But I got the shop truck boxed up right now, and that's what I'm working on currently. But I'm going to push it aside since how it's not due till the end of the year. And you know what, Neiman? We're going to get that model built. Appreciate you, buddy. And guys, please get over there and subscribe to Neiman Chambers. If you're subscribed to me, go subscribe to him. He is a great guy with a heart of gold, and he don't want nothing in return. He just wants it built, and I'm going to build it for him. All right, guys, stick around for the unboxing. Maybe. All right, let's unbox this vintage kit. This is the Revell 1956 Ford pickup, opening doors, hood, and tailgate, 1/25 scale. It was, let's see, built it custom, stock, 2 great engines in it. I done showed you the side of the box, but I'm going to show it to you again. It's from 1962. There's the sides of the box. And that's what Neiman Chambers just sent me. So let's open it up and let's take a look. Move this to the side. He's got the glass right here. He's got the glass right there in this paper towel for me. Let's see. These tires aren't melted, thank God. There's all 4 or 5 tires. 5 tires, 1 for the spare. We're not going to take them out of there. Let's leave the body over here for last. Let's open this up. Let's get to the instructions. Let's check out these decals. Look how beautiful and clean those decals are right there. Look at that. Those might actually be usable. And I just might have to use some of them. You got the moon eyes. You got Mr. Speed there. Let's see. What other ones are on here? You got Eldebrock. Genuine Ford parts. Eagle cams. Mickey Thompson speed equipment. Boy, you got all kinds of vintage speed parts on that. Let's put that over to the side. Here's the instructions. Yellowed from age, of course. There's your number 1. That's your engine option, or well, engine assembly. And there's your step 2, step 3, step 4. This is for the Pontiac engine on the step 4. The other one's the Ford engine, or Thunderbird engine. Or not step 4, step 1, 2, and 3. Well, they're really old, and try not to tear them up. There's the engine with the, looks like a blower. You go down to number 6. Then you got the front end parts. On my other kit, all this front end part stuff, it's just all melted away. It's a shame. Step 7. Boy, that is such a cool kit. Let's go up here to 13. It's your bedside. 12's your cab, opening doors. Look at that. 11, hood, firewall. 10, the glass, stuff like that. There's your assembly of the body and bed to the chassis. This right here will be your custom parts, I guess, to lower it right here if you're going to lower it. Seats, your custom grill and headlights. Whoop. Very cool. What you could do for the hubcaps. Surfboard. Oh, those are some kind of rails that go down the side of the truck bed. Pretty cool. Alright, so that is the instructions. Look at that beautiful white plastic. That plastic just feels different than new plastic. It's got to be made of something different. I know the smell is just awesome. You got to love that vintage stuff. Here's your doors. That's a really nice clean mold. Look at that. There's no flash whatsoever. There's the hood. Very nice. Let's see. You got your seat, or what do you call that? Surfboard. Surfboard. Got your seat. That must be the stock seat. There's two different seats in here, so you must get a stock seat and a custom seat. I don't know if y'all can see that very good or not. Let's see. This one here must be your custom seat right here. Yeah, that would have to be your custom seat. Here is your dash. Very nicely detailed. Your firewall is very nicely detailed. Let's see. What do we have here? You got door cards. So that would be the stock door cards. And if you flip them around vice versa, then you got the custom door cards. How cool is that? Thing that your seat sets on. Let's see. We got pipes and radiator. You got your drive shaft. You got steering parts. You just got all kinds of stuff on this. You got a lot of loose parts in the box. There's part of your transmission. Here is one of your inner fender wells. Look at that. It's even got what do you call that thing right there? Oh, to your battery in your system. What's that thing called, guys? Help me out. I can't remember. Fords have it. Solenoid. Starter solenoid. There's the other one. And there's one of the running boards. We got another running board. We got the back part of the diff. Let's see. There's the other part of the diff. That is your fuel tank. There is your stock suspension and lowered suspension. Here is your engine. I think that's your stock Ford engine, I think. Not for sure. I have to look at it. Parts falling off the tree. There's part of the engine right there. That's a pretty detailed engine for back in the day. And then here's one. The other one that's been built up. This one might be the Ford. That other one might be the Pontiac. I don't know. I'll have to look at it. Guys, I don't claim to be an engine expert, so don't kill me. Don't kill me. There's the tailgate. Look at that. Beautiful molded. Way better than the one I had. The one I had was terrible. And there's a bunch of little parts in there like a head. And there's the steering wheel. And there's just all kinds of loose parts. And don't know if that even goes in the kit or not, guys. I don't think so. That's some kind of custom grill out of some old 60s custom. Very cool. Hey, that's a bonus. But yeah, all parts are there. Let's look at the bed. Yeah, that is in excellent shape, guys. The wood grain. Let's check out the cab. Look at that. Cab's perfect. Mine's just melted away. Look at that. A few little mold lines need to be cleaned up, but nice and crisp. There is no flash on that whatsoever. Let's check out these chrome parts. Look at that. All the parts are still on the tree. Look at that. Custom hubcaps. You got the Ford hubcaps. You got the beauty rings. You got the custom wheels. Huh. I guess maybe one side's it's like, okay, that's what it is. That's the stock wheels or custom wheels. They're just chromed. So you just unchrome them if you want to paint them stock. There's the engine parts, custom headlights, custom grill, stock grill, bumpers. Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much, Neiman. I can't thank you enough, guys. Get over there, subscribe to Neiman. He's got a big heart. He didn't have to do this. I tried to tell him, hey, I'll give you something in return, and nope. All he wants is it built, guys. Get over there. The link will be below. Please get over there and subscribe to him. Bye.